Hello traders, it's your one and only forex skill coach Team Legend, and I'm super excited having you guys one more time on this channel. If this is your first time on my channel, could you do me a favor right now and hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out a dime, okay? Because in this channel I post strategies to win in the markets, okay? So you don't want to miss out a thing. Today you're gonna see a very powerful and awesome strategy that you're gonna use to, I don't know how to put it, what I say you're gonna use to turn the boom and crash market upside down, okay? I hope that's not funny, okay? All right, so the first thing you want to do is to hit the subscribe button and turn the notification bell on, okay? And then you want to go straight to the description below and join my Telegram channel. Traders, you need to be here because in this channel we don't joke here. All right, I teach a lot of things here. I post signals, I give free signals, I post analysis, okay? This strategy that I'm making, this video I'm making right now, as you can see, I've already given an alert to all the traders telling them a strategy is coming and you're expecting it, and you can see 91 votes. Yes, I'm expecting it, okay? As of last week we were 800 or so, and this week you can see we are already 1.3 thousand in this channel, okay? So I teach a lot of things here. This was the exam that I was setting for the traders after some a candlestick pattern training that I gave them last weekend, okay? So this is for you to know that a lot of things occur in this channel, so you want to make sure that you join this channel. Now let's go straight to the point. Now it's a very awesome strategy, okay? And I will teach you how it works, then give you the settings. Now we have the envelope, okay? We have two envelopes indicator here, and we have also the moving average, and we have the relative strength index at work. Now the strategy is kind of cunning and confusing, but as long as you watch this video diligently, you understand it well. Don't skip a dime, okay? Now you can see we have two envelopes here. One is blue in color, as you can see, the blue, and the other is what? Red, right? So now the strategy says whenever the red moving average, not the moving average, whenever the red envelope crosses over the blue one upward, okay, upward, and they're going down together, it means the market is ready to go down. Take note, is a 15-minute time frame, okay? I will get a lot of people who keep asking me what's the zoom level. Let me say that now. Take it to the last zoom level, okay? Now let's take it up 1, 2, and that's all, to the second zoom level from the last, okay, traders? So the 15-minute time frame, okay, this is crash 1000, and we know crash 1000 spikes downward, right, while the boom 1000 or 500 spikes what? Upward, okay? So when the red envelope crosses over the blue envelope and they're all going down together, okay, it means the market is ready to go down. And at the same time, if you look beneath the market, okay, like this is serving as the resistance envelope, and here is serving as the what? The support envelope, okay? So it is mandatory that whenever the market is touching resistance envelope, it should be off. It should be completely off the support envelope. It cannot touch the two places at the same time, okay? So as you can see, the market currently is at the resistance zone of the envelope, and then the envelope crosses over each other, and then if you look on the support level, you get to see that the crossing took place even here earlier, okay, telling you that something could happen soon, okay? And then after the crossing here, this one confirmed it here, and then the trade began doing what? Going down. Despite the fact that you will see some bullish candlesticks, you get to notice that spikes kept on taking place, the bears kept taking on the power, right? So at the end of all the journey going down, selling and selling, you can see what happened here. The red envelope crossed over the blue this way, okay, and the blue was what? Upward. They're moving upward together, right? The same thing occurred here. The red envelope crossed downward, and the blue crossed upward, right? And then it proved a buying opportunity. Now if we cannot take our okay, now you get to see that this is where the first crossover occurred, right? This is where the first crossover occurred, and then the second crossover occurred here to confirm that okay, we are really ready to buy, right? Okay, so if we take a back test on the one I showed you earlier, you get to see this was the first crossing, proving that something could happen anytime soon, and then this one proved its own at this junction, and then it was what? A sell. Let's take more back tests for better accuracy. Okay, the same thing occurred here. You see the crossover here, right? And then it was what? A selling opportunity, and you get to notice that the crossover took place even here on time. Okay, the crossover took place here on time, and then took place here again. Okay, proving what? A time for selling opportunity. So you're gonna take note that whenever the red envelope is above the blue is a selling opportunity, and whenever the blue envelope is above the red is a buying opportunity. And then if we come over to this other indicator here, this one is just like to give us a multiple confirmation. Okay, this one alone is a good confirmation, but for multiple confirmation, because a lot of people are gonna come asking me, hey Tim, where do we take profits, where do we take stop loss and all the rest? Okay, so with this moving averages inside of the relative strength index, you're going to be able to know when the market has gotten to a certain overbought level, then you ought to stop buying and allow the market play its game, and after playing this game give you a sign to sell. Okay, so what this indicator here is really telling you is a time to buy and a time to sell. Okay, so let's take a back test of it. Then if you get to see that when we got confirmation at this junction for selling opportunity, okay, this one proved it first. You can see that it is not at the same line. If you look here, you get to see here, you can see this was where it proved it first, that there will be selling opportunity soon, and then here was the confirmation of it. All right, so at that time you get to notice that the blue moving average had gotten to overbought and the green moving average had gotten to overbought also, and then what happened? It was a time to sell, traders. Okay, so with this strategy you're going to be making quite a lot of money, but you just have to make sure that you are careful and make sure that you follow the rules. Make sure you get the confirmation from the both support and resistance envelopes, and also get from your relative strength index to be sure if it is really a time to sell or buy. Okay, make sure you stick to that rule. Don't just play any kind of game, and then make sure you test run it separately on your demo account, and if you find out that you are comfortable with it, then apply it to your real account. And even in your real account, trader, I advise that you make sure that you are trading on a responsible lot size. Okay, make sure you're trading on a responsible lot size. And then another thing I want to inform everyone is that the Bullish Bear academic section is gonna be launching soon. Okay, I've announced it before and I keep announcing it, and everybody in the Telegram channel already is aware and getting ready for it. I've been getting a lot of DMs requesting when is it starting, how much is it, and all the rest. Okay, so traders, you need to make sure that you don't miss out on this section, because it's gonna be a 5 months mentorship. Okay, I made it to be 5 months. Let it be as long as that, so that I'll make sure that in 5 months I'm raising quite a good number of traders. Okay, I'm gonna give you guys my time for 5 good months, mentoring you on all that you've learned from the academy. Okay, after the entire academy you're gonna write your exams. Okay, after the exams you're gonna have your certificate, your blue certificate and the green certificate. If you want to know what the blue certificate and the green certificate is, you need to go to my Telegram channel. I've pinned the post there so that you can read exactly what all these things mean. With the blue certificate and the green certificate, you know what you get to achieve as a student of the Bullish Bear Academy. Okay, so let's go straight to the settings, traders. We have the envelopes 1, We have period to be 20, shift to be -6, deviation to be 0.250. Okay, we have method to be simple, apply to close, and your colors blue. Okay, you can make it whatever pixel you want as long as you can see clearly on your chart. And then we have the second envelope to be 16 as period, shift as 0, deviation as 0.210, method simple and close, then your color red. Okay, then we under this indicator window 1 we have relative strength index. First, you have period to be 13, apply to close, 1 pixel, the color of your background so that it doesn't show out anything. Then the levels, we have 83 and 18. You click down. Okay, then we have the moving averages. Okay, that reminds me, I don't want to forget. There's a strategy that I posted last, which is the relative strength index strategy. Okay, quite a lot of people were asking me, hey team, everywhere is red, how do we trade it? Okay, and I noticed that after 3 or 4 days, some people were still asking me how to trade with the relative strength index. Please, I want to make you guys note this. Okay, take note of this. The relative strength index is a special kind of strategy. It's not a strategy that you find everywhere. Okay, it's a special kind of strategy that works for a few period of time. It doesn't work for so long. Like this strategy I'm giving you right now, you can use it for a long time. But relative strength index strategy, sometimes it could just work for a day, sometimes for 2 days. It works according to the movement of the current markets. Okay, so anytime I post a relative strength index strategy, that is why I always make sure that anytime I'm posting a strategy, I'm posting exactly on the date, of the day I'm making the video. I post it for you guys. If you look, I'm going to the 1 minute time frame now. You get to see that it is 14th of September. Okay, I'm not like some other traders that makes a video today and then they post it by next year for you guys. I don't do those shit. I post it exactly the moment I make it, so that as I'm winning in the market, you win together with me. Okay, we are all here to win. So traders, we have the moving average. The first moving average, we have 23, we have 0, we have exponential high green. Okay, then you click down, and then the second moving average, we have period to be 3, 0, simple high blue, and you click down. So make sure you understand every single thing that I've explained in this. And for the meantime, traders, keep winning. I remain your one and only forex coach, Team Legend. Thank you.